Hello, welcome to your 5-Minute Moose. Today I'm going to sing a parody song that I wrote to Hallelujah, and it's called Dairy Farming. I heard there was a big debate, oat, almond, soy, dairy milk, it's great. But do you understand how this makes me feel? Let me tell you from the north the myth of dairy farming being cruel. This is a song to teach you dairy farming. Dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming. Well, we sow our seeds and we plant our corn. Cherish each day a new calf is born. Since the beginning of time we drank their milk. Just look at the ingredients. Milk has 9 essential nutrients. Cheese, yogurt, ice cream, butter, dairy farming. Dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming. Well, people were put on this earth, care for animals, help them birth. We give them hay, a place to lay, we love them. I don't understand why there's so much hate, just because my cow's inside that gate. It's cold for them, it's winter. Dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming. Manure is used on the fields. It's natural, increases yields. It can create power, sustainable. And it's not a lie. If you research facts, visit a farm. Don't be fooled by acts. Thank you to those who support dairy farming. Dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming, dairy farming. Thanks for listening. If you like that, give it a share. Catch you next time.